Okay, thank you for returning to the channel. This is the Dom D Builder Forum, and we are announcing that we are going to begin doing home project coaching. And we're going to help you with your project, your renovation, remodeling. We will give you experienced advice from 20 years of general contracting business experience, project consultation, help you define your project, and in the end, get what you want. What are the codes, requirements, possible permits of your project? Are you going to hire contractors? Are you going to do DIY? What kind of training do you require? What kind of information? Sourcing materials, try to save money. Picking the proper contractors, how to vet contractors, all the experience that I have. Some of it bad experience, but good to provide you with the information so you don't make the same mistakes. So please contact us, domdforum@gmail.com, or our website, which is listed below. And we'll put together a arrangement with you to hold your hand, provide you with information, refer you to other YouTubes, whatever we have to do to get that project done the way you want. So I thank you for your subscription. I thank you for coming back to the channel, and we look forward to working with you in 2025. Take care.